The different cell types in the human body experience a huge variety of stiffnesses, ranging from hard structures such as bones, down to more soft tissue such as skin and even fluid-like environments. Hello everybody, I'm Michael Noswitz and I'm working here at Zurich University of Applied Sciences in the group of 3D tissues and biofabrication as a cell biologist.
My name is Simon Stäbler and I am working in the section of 3D tissues and biofabrication at the Zurich University of Applied Sciences. I want to introduce our newest piece of equipment, which is the Puma nanoindentation from Optics 11. So nanoindentation allows us to determine properties of materials such as the hardness. We use it to test small sample volumes below 1 cubic millimeter. However, some high-end instruments even be applied to nanoscale sizes. Usually this technique is applied in biomedical sciences such as implant development.
The cell behavior is influenced by the mechanical properties of their environment, and with nanoindentation we have a possibility to quantify them. In the current project we are developing gelatin-based biomaterials that can be used to construct various in vitro tissue models matching the properties of the human body. We are investigating the hardening process of enzymatically cross-linked gelatin, a process influenced by a variety of parameters. No biomaterial is universal. That's why tailoring the biomaterial properties according to the needs of the cells is of absolute importance.
The goal of my current project is to develop a simple tumor testing system that mimics in vivo tumors. This involves the encapsulation of tumor cells into alginate, which is a natural gel-like substance. The idea is to activate the regulation of certain genes from the tumor cells using the external pressure applied by this alginate hull.
We are always open for collaborative projects where partners can gain access to this unique machine. We can offer expertise not only in cell biology but also in the biomechanical testing of the tissues. If you are interested, please contact me by the email shown below.